Here is the dungeon tile mold out of silicone rubber that I just made today, and it looks pretty good. I can't wait to cast this part. I'm gonna cast it in plaster. I think I'm going to buy the plaster tomorrow. So, I don't know if if we do, then I'll take some video footage of that. Sorry if I'm a bit stuffy. My allergies are acting up, but yeah, this is awesome. This is the second mold I made. Oops. And I love it. It captured all that detail. I have the part around here. Here it is. Right here. 3D printed. And yeah, the mold is it's great. It's great. And I can't wait to make more things. Yep, that's about it for now. Right now I'm working on some dungeon floor tiles, some different painting techniques to see what I like. So it's looking pretty good. These are cast in plaster. This one is painted directly on the plaster. This one is painted on the primer. I use different colors. I'm not sure which direction I'm going to go in. Probably something a little lighter. And another thing I'm working on, this face. It's going to be, I'm going to mold and cast it and put it in a frame. And then I will paint it. I might add synthetic hair. You know, I'm going to cast it in white resin. So. These are how some of the tiles are looking so far. I think I like the one on the left a little better, but I also like, well, I like both of them, I don't know. They're cast in plaster, and they're holding up really well, actually. I'm pretty surprised. Just painting some details. That shine is bright. These are basically stone tiles. And some of the pictures I've seen, there is a lot of some browns, yellows, and blues even. So I like to layer on those colors. It'll probably help if I keep the camera in frame, huh? And then I just start to layer on some white. very shallowly at first, and it brings out the depth. After layering it a bunch of times, different colors, it'll start to look more like stone. The other ones, I think the other ones look pretty good. I finished these two last night. And this is hard with the phone. And I just kind of do this. Make sure that all the tiles are wider than the grout, or whatever that's called. And then eventually it looks good. Okay. Okay. That's it for now. My first casting of my face that I 3D printed, prime sanded. It's got some of the primer residue, but that's fine. It's going to be painted anyways. Oh my god. I have so much in store for this. I cannot wait. Here's the mold. It turned out great. There's a little bit of some maybe an air bubble there. Actually, I had trouble on this one. No, it's probably just the mold actually, but that's fine because I can fix anything that's really bothering me, and I'm just really happy, and I can't wait to show you guys what I plan on doing with these.